Good morning, friends. Today I am again back with some natural phenomena part 2 of 8th standard. In this session, we are going to discuss about types of charges and their interaction, like charges repel and unlike charges attract, frictional order, electroscope, transfer of charge, electric discharge. So let us start the session. First, it is about types of charges and their interaction. You should know that there are two types of charges. They are positive charge and negative charge. Whenever two bodies are charged, then they may attract each other or repel each other. Similar types of charges repel each other and dissimilar charges attract each other. In the given figure, you may observe that two objects with positive charges or negative charges repel each other, whereas when one object is having positive charge, another object is having negative charge, then they attract each other. Here also you can visualize like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. Now let us discuss about the fact that like charges repel each other. To understand this, I will explain you with the help of activities. In the first activity, you inflated two balloons and then hang two balloons in such a way that they do not touch each other. Then rub both the balloons with a piece of woolen cloth and release both the balloons. You will observe that both balloons repel each other. Why? Because same charges is acquired in both the balloons. In the second activity, rub a plastic refill with polythene and place it in a glass tumbler. Then rub another plastic refill with polythene and bring it near the charge refill. What you will observe? You will again observe that both the refill repel each other, being they acquired same charges in both the refill. This figure depicts about the previous activity that we have discussed. You may visualize that there is repulsion of balloon and plastic refill when they acquired same charges. Now let us discuss that unlike charges attract each other. Here also we have to discuss one activity. You charge a plastic refill by rubbing with polythene and keep it in a glass tumbler. Now charge an inflated balloon by rubbing with a piece of woolen cloth and then bring it near the charged plastic refill. You will observe that balloon and plastic refill attract each other because both of them acquired opposite charges. This figure indicates about the attraction activity. Here also you observe how unlike charges attract each other. In the given figure, you may observe about acquiring charges by different objects. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, then it gets positive charge, and when a plastic rod is rubbed with fur, then it gets negatively charged. Now it is about frictional order of different objects like wool, flannel, fur, sealing wax, glass, paper, silk, hand, rubber, amber, ebonite and plastic. So when any of these objects are rubbed together, then the one in the higher order gets positive charge and the one in the lower order gets negative charge. So thus according to this frictional order, glass rod acquire positive charge when rubbed with silk and an ebonite rod acquired negative charge when rubbed with fur. Now let us discuss about electroscope. Electroscope is a device that is used to test whether an object is charged or not. You can make a simple electroscope at home also. It can be made by using an empty jam bottle, a piece of cardboard, a paper clip, and two strips of aluminum foil. Pass one end of the paper clip through the cardboard and hang the two aluminum strips from the other end. Now your electroscope is ready. When a charged body is attached to the end of the paper clip, the aluminum strips repel each other. Why? Because the two aluminum strips acquired same charges. Here it is the figure of simple electroscope. This is also about electroscope. This shows about working of electroscope. You can observe here when the charged object is placed near the one end, then the aluminum strips repel each other as both the strips acquired same charge. This figure indicates about uncharged and charged electroscope. Now the next topic is about transfer of charge. Whenever a charged body is brought in contact with an uncharged body, then charges passes from charged body to the uncharged body. This method of charging a body is called charging by contact or conduction. So if a body is charged by contact, then it gets the same charge as the charged body. It can be observed in an electroscope. Suppose a charged plastic rod is brought in contact with an electroscope. The charges are transferred to the metal strips and they repel each other due to same charge. In the given figure, you may observe about the transfer of charges through an electroscope. Now the next topic is about electric discharge. This can also be explained with the help of an electroscope. When we touch a charged electroscope with our hand, then charges passes through our body to the earth. Then what will happen? The metal strips collapse. So the property is called electric discharge, means it is due to electric discharge. The process of transferring electric charges from a charged body to the earth is called earthing. You might have seen that earthing is also provided in buildings. Why earthing is provided in the buildings? Because earthing protects us from electric shock due to the leakage of electric current. In the given figure, you may observe about the discharging of electroscope. So this is all about today's session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your questions in comment section.